Welcome back, guys. You're watching today's Platinum, and today we're going to be going over how to use Bollinger Bands in another day trading tips video. So I'm just trying to help you guys out more so with trading and actually learning how to day trade and swing trade, because me myself, I believe it is more profitable if you are swing trading and day trading frequently rather than just holding a few coins over time that you really don't know for sure are going to end up providing you with profits that you could get day trading and swing trading. So one of the key indicators that I use and a lot of traders do recommend are called Bollinger Bands. And basically what Bollinger Bands do is allow to you can basically see the range in which a coin is going to move in, and usually to buy in, we're looking for that range to shorten up and then break further down to allow us to, it shows us that there is an oversold signal allowing us to get a better entry point. So it's mostly used for getting good entry points and also knowing when to sell. So overall, a pretty solid indicator to use when trading. So in order to get the Bollinger Bands, just click on the Indicators tab. Right up here it says Indicators, and I'm using Trading View. So whatever you guys are using, just find where you can search for indicators, and Bollinger Bands usually comes up first, just the one that just says Bollinger Bands, and go ahead and click that, and now you can see it. Now Bollinger Bands I really only use on the 1 minute or 5 minute charts, mostly just the 1 minute for quick trades, more so day trading. So once we jump into the 1 minute, you can see how this looks. And the Bollinger Bands are pretty interesting. So they have a line on the bottom, a line in the middle, and a line on the top. Now, for me, I only buy something not only when other indicators are signaling to buy, but basically I only buy on the bottom or below this line on the Bollinger Bands. Because as you can see, normally, the asset, whichever you're trading, moves in between those lines and usually bounces from the top of these lines to the bottom and then to the top again, and then as it continues, just continues to do these same things. So Bollinger Bands can be really helpful in order to identify an entry point and also to identify exit points. So say it just hit this bottom and a little bit below, you could possibly sell as it has gone above and make a nice little profit for yourself. So as you can see here, that would have been almost 1% in only 23 minutes, and just from buying when the Bollinger Bands are showing that it's oversold. There was a lot of sell-off action here, stabilized for a moment, and then started to move up again. So I don't recommend using just the Bollinger Bands without any other indicators. Excuse me, guys, but so I don't recommend using the Bollinger Bands just by themselves. I usually use them with a combination of indicators, including the RSI as well as stochastics, and I haven't made videos on those just yet, but I will be putting out videos on them very shortly. But Bollinger Bands can be very, very useful to combine with other indicators, so you can find the best and optimal entry points for your trades, allowing you to profit and minimize losses. So if you guys have any more questions about the Bollinger Bands, make sure to leave them in the comment section, and any suggestions that you have or questions you have about other indicators, you can ask there, and I'll be sure to make more videos on whatever indicators you guys are interested in learning about. But yeah, one thing I don't want to do is try to go into the nitty-gritty details of each indicator, because I know for most people that's not going to help you out. You just need to know that usually if it is on the bottom line, nearing the bottom or below the actual bottom line of the Bollinger Bands, it's usually a good time to buy. Like I said, you should combine it with other indicators like the RSI as well as the stochastics are my two favorites. But it's a little helpful for allowing you to know, okay, you should buy here and possibly sell up here. So if you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. But like I said, any questions or suggestions, go ahead and leave them in the comment section, and I'll be back to make sure to get back to you guys on that and make any videos for any indicators that you guys have questions about. All right, enjoy your day and have a good one.